Hey there everybody, my name is OTHMARIUS and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the first video in 2019. Guys, I hope you are all up and well with all systems running. We are starting this year with a little recap of 2018, my plans for this channel for this year, and also with a special magic giveaway contest because this channel just hit another milestone recently. That's right, 5K subscribers. OTHMARIUS Magic. Like and subscribe. 2018 definitely was a crazy year overall. However, on YouTube it kind of boils down to the REWiND 2018, which instantly wrote internet history, already being the most disliked video on the platform with over 15 million dislikes by now.
Oh, that's hot.
Whoa, I didn't expect one of those.
Oh, stop. I can't handle this.
YouTube seems to be completely disconnected from its actual communities by now, those who made it what it is today in the first place, the second biggest search engine on the planet next to Google. Instead, YouTube's sharing TV hosts, Hollywood superstars and mainstream media outlets, settling on trend-orientated, hyperactive, forced positivity with advertisers as their #1 priority, while running a content ID system which isn't really working, is it? Produce your own content, get it claimed by a third party, and see what you can do about it. Pretty much nothing. YouTube made it pretty clear by now that they don't really care about their content creators, especially the smaller ones, especially the independent ones. YouTube doesn't give a single fuck about us, and put it like that, and you ain't gonna see any of that precious ad revenue guaranteed. Take for example the case of Casey Neistat, who reputation-wise kind of got raped on REWiND 2018. I mean, he's living the American dream, right? He's a self-made man who built his career mainly by uploading on YouTube and doing so, inventing or at least revolutionizing a whole genre of filmmaking, the vlog. And what did YouTube do to that pioneer? Well, they turned him into K-pop Godzilla. Oh God. Meanwhile, the EU is working on a copyright law which in the worst case scenario might destroy the internet as we know it. In the words of Philly D, to me personally, as a citizen of the EU,
if this goes through and YouTube has to pull the trigger, it was nice having this connection with you.
Now I wish I simply could wave my magic wand and make all of this go away, but that's not how things are working. So the question begs, do I keep it up? Especially considering a paradox resource channels are suffering from on the platform. A resource kind of paradox, a truly paradoxical paradox. You come up with high quality tutorials which makes people start practicing their thing instead of keep watching, gets your videos ranked down, gets you not suggested, means your channel ain't growing. So generally speaking, the prospects ain't good for the well-being of a channel just like mine. Will I be able to upload in the future at all as a citizen of the EU? Is it still reasonable to keep on betting on this horse, even if so? Honestly guys, I don't know. But sure as hell I ain't gonna drop out now. I keep seated on the table and play my hands. Because you know what they say, it ain't over till it's over.
Was that from the 80s? That's probably the 70s.
5K subscribers on this channel. Are you kidding me? That's awesome. And it's all because of you. You made it happen against all odds. Thank you. Thank you so much. Without your engagement, without your support, I wouldn't be standing here right now shooting this subscriber special. Because despite all the frustration implied so far, 2018 was actually a pretty good year for me as a YouTuber. I've seen many of my tutorials well received in search. On a regular basis, you guys are dropping in now with comments like, "Best tutorial, finally I get it, thank you." And then we started practicing cards together with these live card magic practice sessions I'm doing since last year. And it's a blast. Guys, I truly enjoy interacting with you guys in this live format. practicing with you what we love most, and you guys are tuning in from all over the globe. This is just amazing. No doubt I keep that up. And of course, 2019, I keep hitting you guys with in-depth tutorials and performances of my favorite magical feats. Remember my claim from the early days of this channel? Don't just learn another trick, become a magician. Today, OTHMARIUS Magic is more about mastering the art of close-up and parlor magic with special focus on card magic than it ever was, thanks to you guys. Although, quite frankly speaking, we still have quite a journey ahead of us. Some of you are just getting started and some of you don't even know it yet. Now, finally, after all this talking, let's celebrate 5K subscribers accordingly. I'm giving away the Ultimate Card Magic Starter Pack, also very attractive for intermediate or advanced students, likewise Masters of the Art. I'm giving away 3 sealed brand new decks of cards, a tally-ho, a bicycle and a bee. Also a Furnier close-up mat, my favorite close-up mat. I just love this mat. And also, in addition, a paperback version of the Royal Road to Card Magic. The whole package goes out to one lucky winner. Of course, you gotta be a subscriber to participate on the contest. Of course, you have to like this video and then you have to admit in the comments that you still have got a lot to learn. That's right. Share with me your success of 2018. What did you achieve in magic last year? And maybe what obstacles you had to overcome to do so. And then admit that you still have a lot to learn. Also use this as an opportunity to influence the topics I'm choosing for the near future or the future on this channel. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and then devote yourself to the great master of the art in the comments. Yeah, and that's it, I guess. I'm done, I'm through. Wait, there was one more thing. All right, subscribe to PewDiePie.